So, welcome to 한국말 Series 2. This is the basic formal ending. 피읍니다, 씁니다, or 피읍니까 or 씁니까. Okay, so to create this tense, take any base of the verb, then add 피읍니다 if the base ends in a vowel, or add 씁니다 if the base ends in a consonant. And to ask a question, all you have to do is change 다 to 까, and that's mandatory. So you have to change 다 to 까. Okay? Verbs ending in ril are the only ones that are irregular in this tense. 100% of the time they drop it and add 피읍니다. Alright. So the use is when you're talking about yourself and your actions, and without a subject, it implies that you're doing the action, and that's acceptable in Korean, as you'll learn in the next lesson. It's used usually as an icebreaker or short conversations between two strangers. Okay, so an icebreaker, it means that you're not comfortable yet with the person to get to a lower formality level. So you're trying to be really polite and show them a lot of respect. Unfortunately, by itself, this isn't a respectful tense. You need something that's called honorifics that I'm going to teach you in the next a few lessons from now. So for now, we're just going to try and keep it to yourself and your actions. When you want to talk about a stranger's actions, or someone that you don't know that you should be showing respect to, aka someone who's older or around your age that you don't know, then you want to hold that back for now. But I'm going to teach you how to do that, okay? And once you get more comfortable, you can change it from your icebreaker form that this tense is to a or io, which will be learned later, and that shows that you're getting more comfortable with the person now you've gotten to know them. So here are some examples I have. So these are the verbs that I'm using. What I have here is 나는 아름입니다. I am Adam. 나는 아담입니다. I'm eating. 밥 먹습니다. So this is rice. Koreans have rice with every meal, so often you'll hear them say 밥 in front of 먹다, and that just means they're eating. It's still translated as to eat. So 밥 먹습니다. 밥 먹습니다. Without even saying I, it's implied here that I am doing the action because there's no honorific. Okay, 밥 먹습니다. I'm eating. Now, I don't like this one, but I wanted to show you 까 because it has to be used in questions. But if you ask a question, you're automatically not talking about yourself, but you're talking about the listener. And you want to use the honorific. I haven't taught you the honorific, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Highlight it so that you know, please don't say this, okay? Are you listening to the song in Korean? Would be 노래를 듣습니까? This is grammatically correct. The problem is, it's not honorific, so it's extremely rude. Okay, are you listening to a song? Usually you don't ask yourself a question in Korean. You want to ask them, so it's automatically assumed that they are doing the action. So that's song, that's to listen, 듣다. I am meeting a friend. I didn't put I here, but this is 친구, a friend, and then 만나다, to meet. 나는 친구를 만납니다. I'm meeting a friend. Is Sujin drinking again? So here we have to drink, 마시다, right here. 또, which means again. 술, which is alcohol, because drinking automatically assumes alcohol in this case in English. And here's Sujin. I also added she for respect, which again you'll learn later. Okay? 수진 씨는 술을 또 마십니까? This is also rude. You're using a very formal form of the verb, but you're not using honorifics. So, I wanted to show you 까, but I can't use honorifics because I haven't shown you how to use that yet. So, don't say this. I'm trying to show you 까. You'll learn how to speak to another person or about another person in the next lessons. So here, how about this? 나는 개가 있습니다. So I have a dog. That's good. That's polite. 나는 개가 있습니다. So 있다, to exist. As for me, a dog exists. I'll show you how to make that construction again later too. I'm trying not to surprise you because I find a lot in my textbooks. They're going to have a whole bunch of complicated things down that I don't understand. And so I'm trying to explain these sentences to you so that you kind of get what's going on. You have some kind of idea instead of being like blank, like what are they talking about. So now the next one would be, is the school really big? Well, here's school, here's really, 아주. So 학교는 아주 큽니까? sorry. 학교는 아주 큽니까? So 크다 to be big. 학교는 아주 큽니까? Is the school really big? 사과 is an apple. 아니다 to not be. So 사과가 아닙니다. That is not an apple. Okay, apple, not. Is she working alone? Again, very rude. 그녀는 많이 일합니까? This should be a honorific here. I just want to give the ka here. 그녀는 많이 일합니까? Is she working a lot? This is she, this is a lot, this is 일하다 to work. 사다 to buy, check a book. And 내 I am buying the book. Sorry, this is correct. I don't know why I have it in this color. I think I changed it for you guys. 내가 책을 삽니다. So 내가 is I, check is book, 사다 to buy. 내가 책을 삽니다. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a good day.